your girl Naya. If it's the first time you're watching this channel, like, share, and subscribe this channel. I hope you enjoyed this movie. Big up Jamie Wood. I am out.
Curious King, Richard Roses, Jack. Don't play with it, no. Money. Don't play with it, no. Money. Let's get down to heart. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. All I wanna hear is about the cheddar. All I wanna hear is about the money to make my life better. Money talk, bullshit walk. Money talk, bullshit walk. We leave it someplace in the dark. We don't love to talk. The dog will bark. You come with this, don't come around here. We'll leave you there while you're scared. I hope you're here, always near. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. From almost a tender age, I tell mommy I wanna be a businessman.
Hello.
Browning,
What going?
you know, say I see you walk yesterday and where you walk, I think I go give you a position for run off some work for me, is it?
What kind of work that now?
Well, I'm running a tiling service and you know. So I see you do some work on the place and I feel say, just get a second with you, man. Do some delivery on the place and just load off it. You'll be like a loader woman. Because enough of the man them they don't want to work again because everybody say they want choppy line. You know what I mean? So you can't find a young youth to work, so I don't know if you're interested.
Yeah, man, how you mean, man? Money have to make, you know. I have one friend, yeah. But me and her can't match up, you know.
Alright, well say no more. Oh, you're the boss, you know, so just bring her come in and to want to come. Me have some load for letter for some place today. So just forward in.
Alright, so early I better now, so?
I will say so. You know, so that's how it go.
Alright.
Early bird catch the mouse.
Alright, so how the money
Fish.
go?
Or the month, they tell me while me pay over minimum wages a day, you know. So once me pay like $1,000 load. I do about 10 load a day, so they make about 10,000 a day.
Okay, that sound good, man.
But if you like how you I go wear the jacket,
Yeah.
you get 15.
Okay. Alright, that not bad. Well, which one me for me too?
Just come out on the main road, man. And then tell me why you're there, I'm just come picking up.
Alright, then I say a word then.
But the next half an hour.
Alright.
Fresh up on yourself, because I don't want to know. Come on then. On that time, so no beard. So beard and get yourself ready and call me. I'm just picking up on the road, alright?
Alright.
Alright. Can somebody be willing, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah?
man, yeah, man.
Because some people have some lazy friends some of the time, they can come up people place and then can't walk, you know?
Yeah, man, me and my friend good, man. We'll match up your work. You know, say work, I work.
Alright.
Alright. Girl, wake up, wake up. I just get one call from a long time friend who me have. Where one them big heads. They give me one work for load off tile off a one van back. You know, like loader.
Yeah.
So I want me and you mats up here. You know what
Any
I
man,
mean?
any work I work.
Yeah, man. So you say we feel freshen up ourselves and meet him out the road there.
Alright.
Yeah, girl, so you work basically you load off some tile off a one van back, right? So him say $1,000 a load, you have to get for your pay. That no-
$1,000 load.
Yeah,
That no bad.
it better than nothing, girl. Remember say we there, nah do nothing and then look away there. You know that way there? Yeah. Girl, he man say we feel freshen up, cause he might come pick you up down the road there.
When more fresh than I my bed last night. And I'm bed again. I know what I really did.
And that me I said to girl, cause last night my bed and my bed late. And what a problem my matter of fact. So better we just cool off and just sit down little. Jesus.
But wait, like how we are going to work today. We are going to do boy your daughter.
Girl, I hate me that think about when me get a call, you know. But here what me I go do? Me have to go wake her up, talk to her, and me go send her go her father. That me have to go do.
You think
Cause
she go want that?
I know what she wants at this time. Remember saying now we are parents, you know. So we have to know what's best for the kids. You understand?
Well, that's true.
Yeah, so me go send her go her father. Her father now want better opportunity than me right now. Her from when me I think about it, you know. To send her, cause you know see what we in a girl.
True, we can't have a baby in a demonstration, so you know look good. I remember, so before a boy breed, you know, in promise you a lot of things. You say, we bring baby, only baby you get and look here, we have to end up in a one room house.
Why? All the boy did I do I give me pure bun. Bun, nothing. So guess what? I go and send him picnic go game and he take care of picnic.
Well, that's true. The best thing, you better feel like a girl and we get good education and there's something there.
All
Not
that
to
too.
suffer with it.
All that too. Me go wake her
Yeah,
up
man,
now.
go on.
No, yeah. No, yeah. Wake up. Morning. I have something to talk to you about. I have something to talk to you about. Good morning, mommy. What?
Nothing.
Okay, so we need to talk to you, right? So you know the situation we're in, right? Right? Okay. Me get one little work now. So me not have nobody to keep you at daytime when you come from school, so you have to go live with your father.
But mommy, you know, see, I want to live with. And plus, you know, so me I want big girl, so I can take care of my own self.
I understand, so you want big girl now, right? But mommy can't live in a house by yourself. You want police lock up, mommy?
No, mommy. Auntie Marika, please tell mommy if you don't send me, you will take care of me.
Okay.
Yes, auntie, we take care of you. But me and mommy are go on the work, so me can't go keep you. You have to go get your father. Then we get a better life up there, so. Yeah? But me want to live with my mother. Me know, me understand. But you have to get your father. Alright? Okay. Yeah.
What deal?
I just don't want to go today.
You have to understand now, yeah. You know want a better life now, yeah. Look on it. We're in a one room. Me have to sleep on this settee there You and my friend up on the bed. You not uncomfortable?
Mommy, you know, me can sleep on the couch and you can sleep on the bed with Auntie Marika.
Nah, yeah. That still not gonna solve the problem.
But me not go uncomfortable, me little on the couch.
Oh God. Nah, yeah. Make the final decision. You go up with your father. Right? So me go pack up your things them and you go up there. You go up there for like 1 week. Right? For this week, I me just get the work. Then we see how we work out. You hear me tell her?
Yes,
when me leave from work, me will come look for you. You hear? So today when me leave from work, me come straight up with your father come look for you. Alright? Look here. Okay. You're not gonna be forever here.
Auntie baby, stop crying. Here, everything go alright. Once we get one better place and everything, we'll come back for you. Here, stop bawling.
Oh God. Tired.
Why you take so long?
Girl, me tired. By the way, how make you come down?
You know, see rain a fall. Rain a fall, so I have to come out of the rain. Me not go to the hospital, you know, because of this little chunk change, you know.
Girl, I can't afraid of this little rain. Yeah. This little rain and do nothing.
And so you think them a rain give you cold and flu and fever. You fuck up, did it? Me not sick because of you.
Girl, I really attitude you give me. And me I boss now when I get the contract, you know see what me have on. So when me say goes, me say this a little rain and I do nothing. I work where I work, me want me pay. When me forget me pay, me want me pay. Me and the laziness now go work. You understand?
I mean lazy. Or are you? Remember say you going there so go sit down all long, you know, till the rain come down, you know, and now you can't blame me. We could have done, you know.
And I lazy. I just little tired me back. So me just sit down and rest little. What wrong with that? Come on, man. No, stop. Why me not like her look like you did? Me I got draw the money to give for your Philip prescription because this is since I'm my fault and me make you out in the rain, the work and something. Why you just make me feel that way? Me feel bad for you.
All of my cream up, my chance them, and me head a hurt. You try not even know me feel girl fever, you me bad.
No sir, girl you burn up man. No
Tell us
sir.
to make me work in a area.
Girl, me sorry about that. You know say work did have to get done. You understand? But me never know say that the little brain there would have make you sick. Me I will draw the money and that's I can get free fill the prescription here.
Yeah, and some fish I'm gonna look about today now. So when I buy the fish them, we're gonna put on even 5 or 6 of them for you. So me call you, you come pick them up here. Alright, so no, not too loud because my friend will come. Later. Call me for nothing, but the money is on the dresser. Here? Money is on the dresser for pay the rent. And the money is on the dresser. So pay the rent for nothing.
Where you get fish?
Gally, just go down a beach side. I see one of my friends them and he give me five little fish. I just take it and come home so I can scale and look about it for me and you.
Girl, how far we are coming from still, you know?
Man.
And we still there do it. Hurry up and scale the fish them, I could look
So,
about it and me hungry.
You want me hurry up, come, get one knife and come, I will do it quick and fast.
I can't scale fish right now, me hungry.
So
Me
tell us I'm
weak.
not hungry. Me hungry too. All this shit that come out for me. No sir. So where you come from?
Girl, I don't you run me go check on my friend, but she said she don't have no money.
Where you go for borrow money?
Hmm?
Where you go do borrow money?
Beg. Me I work for pay back money.
Yeah, more than like you know that's why me ask. Man. Where we go cook with the fish?
Flour did in there.
Did you buy
But they go
flour?
call, eh?
Are you buy flour?
Yeah. But they go call somebody and see if I can get one. Call the man, the old man down in the shop and see if I can get pumpkin and like yam and so. Cause so flour now go work me hungry right now.
Alright, girlie, do that. I'm scared of fish, yeah. You can't stay there, son, because everything will come off fire. Watch this, under your face.
Yeah, Master John. Morning. I see her, the girl down the road where you did say you like or something. Me I call you, I want to run a boat. Me I call you now to see if I can get, if you have no pumpkin down there and yam and so. Alright, I go come feed. Alright, I go walk come feed. How are you?
This girl joke me.
Whenever I hunger, you must be weak.
Yeah, I'll cut to backside, sure. I'm not
Girl,
wickedness, you
no,
know.
big and serious, girl. Me tired of the life. We can't live so as young girl, you know.
Man,
You have to walk and you know.
I'm not
we-
big. But something done nice.
Why? A good thing about it, we stick by one another.
Through
See
thick
there?
and thin.
We all cook one boat, it's what we eat. Anything we eat, if I one banana we have, we cut in at two and eat. You know that way, right?
Yeah.
I hope the friendship will last though.
It
How
go
far where I
last.
come from.
It go last because anywhere you there, me there. Anywhere me there, you there. So, you have to last, girl.
I say, if we go girl, we have to stick by one another. All if we rich a morning, we don't feel left for one another. You hear that?
Yeah.
Make sure.
Girl, once it where we head a click right, right this one, right through.
What?
Oh, go on.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, me have to play the hide and seek girl. Me not like it, you know.
Why? We just have to go and do it till.
But who we hide from, really?
We just now want my friend know so me and talk it. She a gonna know me no, but not right now.
Looking for everything that you say. How you call me? Mass Jasper, Jaspina. What you call me?
Mass Joe.
Mass Joe.
No, me have to do it undercover, you know. That's, you know, me can't call your real name yet.
Alright, so.
Oh, you carry everything.
Yeah, we get the money by later. So by later, I tell the money come to your end. So, you're good though?
Yeah, man, alright. Me just there.
Alright, right there, that's good enough. That's the greatest thing.
So, I'm till last night, you know, come link me or nothing.
Oh, last night. Yo, she not even know. I get a call and I have to do way up the line and deal with some things because you know I have to make that money, you know what I mean? So, as I come, I not get free really. Come last night. I reach back late this morning. By the time I reach back, I know say, you're there better sleep about 3-4 o'clock. You know what I mean?
So last night my friend they have one man around there. They mash up the place around there. Then time their feelings take me over. You know me get up and go bathroom and me hear them running. They go along with one bag of something. And me they call the phone, no answer. What cause that? You cannot answer the phone.
No, before I go, me no see them, no get no call until after I see miss call, panic. In the phone, I ring none at all. I say, what is that? And through me busy, I not to get to check the phone to say, Ray, to call about the same time. So don't worry about that still. I one of them things there. But tonight though, because I'm not going to know tonight. Tonight, I'll be coming over. Right?
Make sure.
So,
Make sure you
how
come
we all
over.
about?
How about some food, ground provision, the pumpkin you give me and there's something else. I go look boards, them here, the pumpkin and flour and so. My friend say one of her friend give her fish. But I know the man who did it last night give her, but I not get in her business. Because it's like when I don't want her in my business, I never get in her business. So.
Well, what more do you know? I'm touch the road because drive up and down. It was a long drive. So, I'm tired. I got my yard go some rest. Later in the night, I'll come back and link you. Alright?
Alright.
So, how you baby? How long time later about that?
Baby, alright, man. She alright so far.
Alright, so when I did them, I'll give you one next one. Alright.
So you want baby?
Well, when them come, you never can tell. You know, if you got the place apart, them make, maybe you want to jump out. Let's go. Alright, so later, tired man, real man, tired.
So give me a husband.
Let me tired not to overgo. Oh, you feel nice though.
As I should.
Yeah man, so by later me get some money.
Alright then.
Alright?
Later, take care.
Yeah man, that's something that you want to hold in the yard.
Girl, are you cooking fish or me cook the food?
Anything?
Me just a seasoning it for you.
Yeah, no problem. Me dey cut up your seasoning, then something.
I don't know tell you. Me just hungry. No man, this not safe as a young girl. So you don't cook, what we gonna do when we eat and something?
I don't know.
Girl, share out your food, huh? How much dumpling you want?
Want 2 dumplings.
You want pumpkin?
No?
Banana?
Yeah, give me 1 banana.
You want like gravy jar out, girl.
Man,
Me did share mine already, you know, so.
I know.
See your food here, girl.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Shall I juice there?
Girl, you provide fish. You never provide drinks.
So,
Go drink water.
I don't want water for drink. Water can't quench my thirst.
So. Girl, I don't like how the fish are taste.
How fish taste?
I don't know. You just have one insipid taste.
You know, I don't like cook for you. Because you always find fault. Nothing wrong with the fish can't eat.
Fish have one insipid taste. And it look like it not even scale good. Because I taste scale.
Seriously, girl?
Mm.
I'm not cook for you again. You're too unfair. If you tap then something there, man. Every time people cook for you, you always find fault.
If fish not scale good, and it just not taste good, it tastes insipid.
Give me, no eat it then.
But watch
Me
out.
eat it.
Babe, I'm gonna get ready for going in the car. You know your friend's son come out there. You know your friend. Yeah, that man, right?
Oh man, you know if you leave.
Hmm?
But I tell her about you already yesterday.
Hmm.
So the time come now for you to meet her. So
Oh, come with the priest and I cut out before she get up on.
no man, I'm tired of that now. I can't take hide and seek business no more.
Alright, so meantime done, that means I can come and feel like people more come and want not be the same way. If you're there, right? You understand?
Yeah. A matter of fact, I'll make you meet her. No, tell her. I go on there.
Alright, tell her now.
Marika, when you come meet my boyfriend, come here then. Girl, well, this is shit. The girl, man. You love your foolishness, girl. Girl, come, look at us now. We have big king size bed and all these
If you
things.
tell about it, I remember when I used to sleep in a city.
Girl.
Free enough.
Why? But as soon full time, now you get to when I play store, but soon.
Yeah, soon. I forgot to get somewhere.
I'm glad for know so we are come from far and we still there. I hold it all together, you know?
Yeah.
But then I see we not set this sheet right.
No, sir. Too handicapped. Boy, I remember when we used to have to load of things off a van back. And then sitting there. We used to go through nothing, you know? All
Girl, you make we can upgrade little daughter and God feel little partner.
Yeah. Me I just have to go seaside, go big fish. I remember them sitting there.
Mas. When name again? I remember.
The old man.
Yes. Where you start to give me a little pumpkin when he come from farm and something. Why? Those were the days.
Why
We
them
not reach where we want to reach, but we'll get there.
Yeah, I mean, I wait for the people them to come and feel look work still.
Yes.
Want to look. Jaja God.
I'm tired. Naya, wait.
Me run away. My stepmother don't like me, mommy.
What do you mean by your stepmother not like you? And how you reach her by the way?
Well, me walk. Let me get taxi, mommy.
So you know the taxi driver?
No, mommy. I'm a run come down here.
Taxi? You take taxi? Where you get taxi fare now, yeah?
Me did, daddy did give me money for buy sweetie and me save up and then me pay a taxi driver.
Now you
Yeah,
suppose...
let me sit down and solve it first. Can I understand what they want?
Girl, me not understand you either. Suppose the taxi driver they kidnap you.
Mommy, other people that in the car.
So wait there. What you mean by your stepmother not like you? What your stepmother do to you? Me not understand. This is news to me.
Well, she now feed me. When we wake up, I tell her I'm thirsty. She a talk about me supposed to go lay down and go sleep. I'm dead. Me a dead for thirsty.
No, so your father aware of this?
Well, two of them always carry friend come. And a friend them always they lick me. And when they carry friend, they lick me and beat me and abuse me mom.
So oh me just hear all of this. Why you never call me now? Yeah?
Did you give me a phone?
No, me never give you no phone, but you could have borrow a phone or nothing.
Every time when I ask my stepmother and my father and none of my friends, they're not giving me and they always lick me because I'm asking for a call.
I can't believe my daughter, oh God. I can't believe say that I really didn't go through.
Just let me tell some people about fun.
Before we fought him, we should have said we should have met him there and fight you back to him.
Well, it better get bigger now so we can go and stay.
Anyhow you want to say, so, anyhow, come get auntie a hug. Alright now.
So you eat already?
No, they're not going to talk. They always become one try to find something to eat.
That's a wickedness.
I go and go for your father yard. May they go up there.
Today?
I don't know when yet, but may I go up there. Or me call him.
Come on, we are go up there today, because we have to find out what really they go on.
You know what me I gonna do right now? I go and call him. Cause me not understand why he have you up there and make woman a ill treat you.
Mommy,
When me phone me?
you're not going to answer. You better if you just go up there. Because you're not going to answer in the phone.
What you mean you not go answer and you're not in a yard? You're not in a yard?
Well, in our say, if my mama are calling, you're not going to answer.
Really no.
Well, me I go use somebody else's phone and call him. Cause me and him. Cause me can't understand. Eh? Look there.
Well.
You run away, come out of the house. And bet say you don't know all now.
Well,
Can each up there with woman.
well, you know, say you have two phones, right?
Yes.
And when he never did pay me no attention, I purposely mash up one iPhone him and show him something. Well, the other phone now work. I mash up the next one. But then I go answer him if it is phone. And plus,
Alright, you see like how you not eat? You say you not eat, right? Me, I gonna look about something for you. So later on, me and you, I go up on your papa. Because a girl no want me beat her.
well, mommy, we can get macaroni and cheese.
Alright, no problem.
Goods. I'll go on the road and come back.
Alright, where you go on the road go do? Okay, where you go on the road go do?
Girl, all that me have to tell you, me soon come back. When me come back, me talk to you.
Alright.
Alright.
How are you?
Hello.
How are you?
Oh. So I don't know say you're there. I make your pa accost me. Me didn't even know when I left out the house with a girl. You know her? So, are you looking at him, mama?
Yes, I'm here look up in the
I say you grow him.
Go her how? The child have to run away from, oh no,
Run it from who?
from you and Ma.
You don't know who this is now? You don't know this who
What
this
she
is.
a do?
You know raise her so you don't know her.
What the little time I don't have her, I don't raise her.
Bad. But me can't see why me can't see why she stays. So cause look on you, look how you are dressed in front you look a picnic.
You know, it is
Look
why-
on you.
You know, it is
Stop
why-
in eyes, me tell you when big people attack, don't come in there.
You know, you know, it is why I'm bad because I don't take care of me.
So Landy, you eat, you sleep, you have roof over your head. One more take care of your
So
one.
you do not feed me.
Wait, then I am.
So you don't have two hands. Anyway, I hear a case me depend know.
Hello.
You could make a phone call and make we know stay here say pitting there. You know how he pop up there cuss me? You know how he class me?
Aye. No raise the vets in my place.
You can't tell me that,
calm
miss.
down, calm down. Listen. Me decide to me did not come up there.
So me can come.
I want to drive me away, man. You know worry about that. Me did not come up there because when she come in, she run breathless. I can't tell me say, "Una not feed her." When she hungry and when she thirsty,
Listen me, lady.
lady, let me talk.
Listen me. Me didn't even know when a daughter left out her yard. Me didn't even know when time she got through the door. Where she get money from coming on here.
After, or like abuse, no, don't know which part.
Nobody not abusing you. Top tell lie.
You always
I saw
lick
the
me.
tan.
Yeah,
And look
always
no love tell lie.
You always lick me.
Listen to me now.
Keep the picnic.
Me, yeah, me, I that me just never tell her. Me, I
Mark have better things on the way, so keep a picnic. You not gonna grow so.
You know, it is
You not gonna grow so. Okay, look there.
But wait, you lick my pitney? I have a great mind, make sure lick your back. But you're not easy, girl. See a pitney in your belly there.
No,
That
make
the
sure lick
pitney
me
that
back,
you
no?
feel it.
Make sure let me back.
Listen, me not even gonna bring a pitney in your
Mama,
stomach. You see if
lick
anybody that breathe to the girl, me floor you out here.
So floor me now?
Yeah, breathe.
No make
The belly soon go away, you know where you...
even though me a breathing and me can't defend myself, you know, so lick me back. Make sure lick me back now.
Alright?
Yeah.
You better go on, my friend.
Should I warm?
See you on that fish, alright?
Yeah. Which Betrayal am I anyway?
If you want to come on, I forgot to go to 4 sleep on, but no, mad not to go on the beach and now, we just get full of vibes, you know?
Okay.
So I have to go back up and check out. I like how we in one place and, you know,
Yeah.
you know, say, you could have gone and acting. Yeah, man, you deserve an Oscar. I love woman like you can keep a secret. Oh,
You're funny bad, no sir.
yeah, man, that is it.
So how was the day?
Good so far still, you know. But how was your day differently? You had to go. I don't know you put on so much weight, you know. You put on weight.
So if me eat good food, I must put on weight. What you talk about?
When I buy your things, what you tell a friend say? Like, when you buy fish, what you tell a friend say?
I tell her, so I see one of my friends over at the beach. I beg him and give me fish.
So,
Tell her.
but she must have asked her wonder where you get money from to pay for your part, to pay for your room. And still have money to go and buy things now and then. You know what, though? I'll pull a string for you. You can get one look at nursing work. You can work in the meantime. So everything go through smooth, right?
Alright.
So you can make a little money, still make a little money. Rent everything pay the same way. You understand?
Yeah.
For me happy, you know, you happy, you have to happy too, you know. Yeah, man. And your friend have to happy. Because if what she don't know no hurt her, I mean I want hurt her the same way, you know what I mean?
Yeah, me understand.
Yeah, and you're not a real friend. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
I understand how you.
You want to put me down? You jump over it, yeah? Remember me just meet here, you look at it slimmer. I don't know how that you can't be here for the buy one of the something. And say, well, boy, I smart me fine. There you go, sir. You find sperm somewhere. With, oh, come. You know, I'd have to tell you, oh, would I be the godfather then?
Yeah, you're the big godfather.
That's the godfather.
Yeah,
and then you could tell her, say, you get ambushed at one place, or you, the brethren who get you pregnant, like on a foreign and I know we I want one night stand, you book him in a club and you know they're back in Jamaica again, so you don't want one man to give me last name to if you could beg her to make the baby have my last name.
No, more do that. That's too outside. You're going too far away.
But that directly have my name on it. You know what I mean?
But she would have feel away if you do that.
Well, that is life. If you feel away because with a monument like me guilty. You know what I mean? Anyway, that, this or this. You see one guy beach?
They come with that beach tonight.
Yeah. So we got a beach.
Well, you know, people are no, man, I don't know.
Fucking nice. Yes, I know.
Me too.
What? Yeah. What thing about it? So we can I'm tell you more reach already. Who you the one beat me? Alright? Baby, you know, man. Where do you always sell about? You know matter if beat pan down or beat in a mouth. You know matter. You don't want me to clean a bed, so. You can't so pleasant. No, you can't so pleasant, man. Life not so smooth, so. What do you want?
You know, just go to
Yeah, I like different places. You're going first. We're going to do for half an hour. Go on my phone, play some game, then come in. Alright? It was nice, but still more later. Now come watch it.
no come on, I'm still on your son.
Later, come on. Later, please. Yeah, uncomfortable. Go on, later.
And me. Girl, your best friend, what was you?
Girl, how long it take to come back?
But they go over one of my friends.
Which friend that?
One friend of me meet already.
friend where you meet other day. And you come back with sand for you.
I'm not son, a rendering son.
And a son a rendering son.
Girl.
No, sir, this not safe.
Stacy.
This not adult.
Stacy for son.
You're bright, though. Girl, me not understand the story now, adult. You go over your friend where you meet other day and you not tell me about that your friend name.
Girl.
It's alright.
I want a friend to help me get one work. I'm tell us say people if you call me, so I'm just good if you talk to people if they speed up it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see your word. You there?
Yes, sir. Wow. Alright. So, what you look for? Nothing to eat?
Nope.
Why? What do your face look so?
Girl, me just there. Me there just a think. My
About-
brain there not over and try. Girl, I bet you never tell me what happened today.
What you mean? What for happen?
I don't remember what she name. Our stepmother. Come here today.
A lie.
Girl. Naya. Sorry, they go over the sun and talk to my friend.
No, this too nice.
But so the woman come here today. I want to come in a long chattings with me. How me and her raise picnic good and this and that and ask for it cow not.
So why you never call me?
Girl, anyhow me did call you. A fight to that broke out here. Girl, mama all have big belly in front of her.
A lie. A big boy breed him.
Yes. Girl, me say if y'all never did a breed, me drape him up out there, you don't believe me? Yeah. But me glad in name there.
What make?
Cause me know you the war. Me know you the fight.
I don't even with a with a angler. A belly or no belly? With a beat him. Girl bright. But you out of the door, push up on your doorstep.
I don't me talk
He
about.
brave him.
Eh?
Me never see no woman brave so with big
No.
belly. No man
Big
ain't
be-
brave.
Well, let me tell you something. Me not too wrong her, you know. Cause she didn't really, they come at me. She
Yeah.
just has say, then she kind of that worry about the little girl. Cause she must see little girl in the yard. But she not even understand what I'm going. Anyhow, she never have never did it in front of her. Worse, oh, my picnic tell me say, she lick her. You understand what me talk about? That me talk about.
Anyway, girl, me go and get wash up and something.
You wash off the sand for you?
Yeah, no, I'm not son.
No,
Because
yeah,
you're son. Girl, TSC, come. Get up, bread.
Bright and face.
Me I go and go wash up, so later me we talk.
Alright, yeah. Who that? Oh, come in. Actually, the young lady they just come in, my friend.
You know what's sitting there? I don't want the beach where I come from. The cousins there from friends.
Yeah, come from-
Watch ya! Got my manners, man. What go on? How is Naya? How's she?
Yes, I'm a daughter. This is me always I tell you about. When
No,
you
me
hear me talk,
see her picture, man.
to the middle here, and Mrs. she come breathless. So she run me from her father and her stepmother.
She how much?
Huh? She 829.
And she run away?
Yes.
Oh, you know yourself?
Eh?
Oh, you can't come already? Oh, she find herself down here.
But the car come here one time already. She come spend one weekend with me when you never there here.
So, anyway, welcome yourself, man. You know down here good then? Because you must learn good at school, right? Because if you come here one weekend and remember the place, and sometimes I go place here months and my last. I go Portmore and my last at Portmore, and I used to drive around Portmore. I go Whitehall and my last at Whitehall, I used to drive around Whitehall. And you You have a good brain, a good pitney. You go turn Prime Minister and get out of trouble, you know. Let's go.
That's it. And that for go on, man. A good little pitney this. And me I tell you, the story where she tell me about her stepmother and father friend them where they beat her. Me not send her back up there. Right, so she have to go stay with me.
Where you go? It have to go on, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so.
So back to reality. Where you say I come from?
No, from my cousin come from foreign. So, on the beach today I drink 2 beer. You smell the beer for me?
Yeah, me smell it there.
Yeah man, I drink 2 beer and say all the vibe.
I come from beach.
On the sun. No, me not going to the beach man. On the sun.
Let me say it for them.
Oh.
You have one son, and my friend come here with son. Me I try doing maths.
This is Negril. There's a lot of sun down here. What you talking about?
Okay.
We are talking about differently.
Me just try to put the puzzle together. Cause the same day you come here, you have son, she have son.
Oh,
me
your
I
friend
try-
have son for an hour?
But she say I know see son.
Well, this is sun.
Okay.
Hmm?
Alright.
I see sun man, you can't see, you know the difference? Touchy.
So when I
Look at the car go beach, you know go to beach yet? You go beach all the while, not true? Do what kind of sand this look like to you? Okay, Suma, no see sand this Alright. I'll go buy you one sweetie. Can you send several? What's that
so
going
what's
on?
up now?
That same thing me ask you now, you cook?
No sir.
Come in and eat.
Me not cook at all.
Well, that good. Where we go? I go somewhere?
Yeah, we can.
I can go down and we go buy something on the road then. You hungry?
Yes.
You hungry too? Alright. Come on, go buy something.
How would that go? Come in, girl. You always on the 50. What happened?
Girl, I'm not remember to tell her.
You look sad and beat out, so. Girl, they are tired. Me not work and me just tired, so me don't know what cause it.
I'm going to watch TV so loud.
Girl, me just there. Girl, I'm a man, so me just there listening song them and go and build a vibes, you know?
And your point is?
What you mean by and? Me I tell you say I'm a man and you say and, me not understand.
Girl, my man a sing a song.
What you say? What kind of song you sing?
Don't worry about that. When you can write a wee more.
Alright, move on.
So wait, you know cook?
Me cook some mackerel and rice only.
Mackerel and rice, I could do good chicken or something, girl.
Are you a working out? What make you never provide the chicken?
I'm going to ask me for money to buy chicken. Tomorrow me left money here to buy it.
Alright.
I want to cook.
So what's your today? Here one mackerel. How would that? I wonder if this a walk past me, so.
Wagwan daughter. Wagwan friend of my wife. Alright?
Good night.
That's it. Hold it down. So like I'm song on there play, yeah man. Sorry for those who don't understand.
Something that look right or so. I want to make her face look so when you come in. Wow.
No, me no vibes. What? Me no vibes.
Me never say you're not in a vibes, you know. You are jump.
Mama, me in a vibes. I'm good.
No,
Good. How That's about.
Try and make sure.
Oh, me I come home because your man comes so I go now.
Turn nurse now. You don't forget when I work little more. I work little man. I'm not saying you can't be because you take care of me. You could have been a nurse or a doctor. When I'm money saying I go, I'm not saying I got college. So, the last time I said a girl got college, him end up in my one next doctor, lawyer, man who got college too, end up married. Because she go do that the course there, so you get a man will do our next course too. So I told him I live happily up at Beverly Hills in a them big mansion. And I meet and I go to college. I focus on my music and now, enough music then now for you find the channel.
On YouTube, me can
Yeah man, one thing man.
see it.
Yeah man, I will work me out do them.
Me see it, man. The
So
crowd, yo.
yeah, so when you tell me I work, me don't want you stress me. Because that me and do me, I get the music up and running.
Okay.
Yeah man.
When it makes sense and them sound good, same way.
You good sir? Young one. You alright?
Yes.
How you there? I bring some here now. Close the eye. Hold out the hand. Continue. Okay. Let's say one swim. Yeah, man. Keep yourself afloat. Yeah, man. You never know. I'm more for you kind of sweaty. Hold that short. I don't want to fuck up in a, you know. It's my man, I watch you and I say me in a dealings.
Alright.
Something alright. Something's alright.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not 50. I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not 50. I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. No, sir.
Curious skin, with shot love clips, back banjia. Don't play with it now. Money. Don't play with it now. Money. Let's get down to let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. All I wanna hear is about the cheddar. All I wanna hear is about the money to make my life better.
You sure?
It have to end right here, it have to end. Guess I was too shy.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now.
Girl.
From almost a tender age, I tell mommy I wanna be a businessman. I know what if you mix with my dough, I tell you it will be damn. Somebody will be going down. I don't mess around with yours, so don't you mess around with mine. You got yours, do what you want with that. But if you might get a shot, and I don't give a the cops. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. It's a serious world. It's a serious world. And for you, I will send you for no girl. Leave you somewhere dying. Somebody will be crying. I'm not lying. I'm on the grind. Money on my mind, so let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. I need my dough. I told you before. I need to make my life better. I need to see my cheddar. They lock me in bars for a long time. Just because they didn't want to see me shine. But now I'm back.
And when we hear how much money both them make, they decide to say, well,
serious
put up scene now. Check and feel me there.
It's a serious world. And for you, I will send you from the girl. Leave you somewhere dying. Somebody will be crying. I'm not lying. I'm on the grind. Money on my mind. So
be a believer. Believer.
let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. I need my dough. I told you before. I need to make my life better. I need to see my cheddar. They lock me in bars a long time. Just because they didn't want to see me shine. But now I'm back. Oh, what's we say?
Let's just go to the back door now, right?
I was sleeping. Then, when we wake up, we said, we go to the back.
Oh, maybe I'm sleep walk through that door they come out so then. I remember. When we reach out of the door. No, that is auntie. You just walk at that. Work me and work over there.
In there with auntie. Yes, you did.
Something just right.
Baby. You believe some of that friend with a friend?
I believe my daughter. Only if you believe a man over my daughter. Just tell me if that makes sense to you. Tell me. Now I make sure I don't know lie you tell me.
Mommy, me swear upon my life. Me see stepfather go when we wake up, me see go in a auntie and lock the door. And then me see time when auntie get her something going on. She take time for he come out here and lock back the door.
Hey,
So tell me where you have to say.
I cannot stay here with all of these accusations. You and your child deserve to give me an apology because you are judging me wrongfully. So I'm not turn up and make you disgrace me and talk bad about me. Send me do things I'm gonna do.
Come on. Come on, Naya. Friend. Naya, go on in the room. You want to talk to Auntie.
Okay.
Girl. Sorry, let me smell this a bit. No, sir. This bed smell like my man. You smell like my man, and him will tell me, say, oh, this is exercise. Make me not understand.
I don't think I'm doing the exercise.
Just tell me true, girl. Tell me truth. Me and your friend all along. You understand? You're not supposed to lie to me. This a bed smell like my man. Me know how my man smell. And me and him sleep most nights. Me know how he smell. So stop lying to me.
Alright, I'm telling you the truth. Well, after I meet and everything, he see me on the road, down I see side, him they give me fish them, and him they give me money, and so comes, I could have pay for my room and money for myself. He helped me get a job and something girl, so what I did for do? Me and your friend, we can share. We will share everything.
Share what?
We share everything. So why if you share one man? You can't make man come between your friendship.
What you just said to me a while ago? Share what?
The man. Share the man.
Share the what?
The man.
No, my man. Yeah, you have to date tonight. Tonight.
No, can I share it, auntie? Mommy!
Hey, I told the girl I don't know me, you know. I say you're lucky my daughter there, you hear? That me I tell you.
Friend.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry.
Girl, me no want.
I'm sorry, girl. Girl, I try man did I give me money and things, and that's why.
Me no want to sorry from you, girl.
Girl, you're
You
far
see
where I
from
come
Tony?
from, you know? I'm far where I come. You can't do this to me, please. Me sorry. Me never do it again. Me never. Give me a chance.
You see from tonight?
Please.
It can't go work. If friendship
Mommy.
done right here, so tonight it's
Mommy,
done.
You can't do this to me, please.
Now you just come out of this. Please, baby. Friend?
Girl, I'm sorry.
A matter of fact, me not even calling a friend. Girl, me and your friend, me and you come from far. Me and you used to eat out the same pot and plate together. Enough night we go to bed hungry together, girl. And this you really do me? Eh? Girl, it not gonna work.
Please.
Naya, come on.
Mommy, just give one more chance. Mommy, please. Just give one more chance. Mommy, just give one more chance. No, mommy, please. Please, no,
Naya,
mommy.
as soon as I get big, you will understand.
Please, no, mommy.
Now.
Who that?
Problem. You know, some things kind of bad and out of touch. But we have to go talk though. We can't just do the relationship so. If you have to go on probation, we're gonna make it end the way. Certain things are just life itself. We never meant to get up on me though. Right? And she not tell her though. She tell her?
She tell me everything.
She tells her she's pregnant too? Who does the girl pregnant? I never mean to get her pregnant. I never mean to get her pregnant.
A joke can make, right?
Let's just tell everything. I never mean to get her pregnant.
Well, I don't understand. You are my best friend. My best friend of all women in this world.
I said to me, I don't know why. Why does this happen? I know something planned. I'm not planning. I help her out, get some little things done. Accidentally, bam, it happened. And I say, yo, I want to stop this, I want to tell you. I'm in a bed with you, and I say, I want to tell me, baby. Say.
Fire, don't touch me. Fire, you don't know how much things I go through my head right now.
Babe, take you out. Take you out your head. Make a good things alone come your head. Because if I'm your best friend, and me one of your best friend, nothing wrong with lost. But me come in here want to get pregnant.
Fire, I better you and already just get together and no baby not involved.
What we
So
going to
even,
do now? What we
even
going to do
if
now?
we give you a chance.
What for the kill the baby?
No.
The baby is innocent.
Exactly.
So you go love the baby just when the baby come. It's your best friend, okay, the baby to your man.
alone and you and her stay together.
No, I don't want that one you too.
You want me
No,
to?
more you. Yeah, more you. Not too. Not too.
Fire. Fire, you see tomorrow, you come back and you come for your things them out of the place and then it's just done
Yes,
and you're woman in the world. Why my best friend? Why?
I don't know my plan. It's not anything I can say. I plan it, never plan it. I don't know. I help her out with some things and accidentally, you never there here. And accidentally come in her room and she have no clothes, she get ready. And I don't know one thing like a magnet. I just find myself afloat so. Like a magnet to steel. I just find myself afloat so towards that. And two tools, bam! Everything happened. I said, what happened a while ago? And from that, it just continue happening over and over. I don't know how to say it or what to do. And the wrong, you want to forgive me?
I don't know how I'm forgive you for this. One baby involved. And I like, you give me fun, you know. So you know, Sarah just born and I can't forgive her. You get her pregnant. I don't think I can do this. I forgive you, but I can't forget. Me just can't do this. I can't do
Sorry,
this.
mom. Sorry, mom. Sorry, yeah? Sorry. Sorry.
It just can't work.
Sorry.
Suppose me dig your bun and get pregnant for our next man. Would you accept that child?
I'm not talking about that, man. Because I'm stressed out. Just forgive me, no, man. Just forgive me. I'm stressed and I like something with me. I tell you something with my plan. I'm stressed out, you know.
How long will I do this? I know one time it happened.
No, one time, accidentally couple times, but
Accidentally couple times. Eh?
yeah, my first time
For one time a mistake.
and second time an
a-
accident.
And the third time I want.
Accident again. How come, man, here?
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow my head will now want different headspace.
Love you here. Love you.
One one.
Sorry.
Fire go on one.
Love you. Sorry, here. Forgive me. What on security tonight?
Girl, me a come. Oh, no. So you lock the door, you almost came in here already, you know, you come and lock the door.
If me kill you, you deserve to be dead. Come, and something I want to ask you. Me not do nothing.
Chop it up fast and go.
Miracle, you really do me this? Me want to ask you one question. Are you pregnant?
Oh, you know that?
Is it a yes or no?
Yes, I'm pregnant.
And who is the...
But I couldn't tell her all of that because you did done upset already. Somebody that wait till you calm down, I can't tell you.
So, me and your friend, I come from far. You take my man, there with my man, behind my back, and breed for him. Eh? Tell me now. That makes sense to you? No. What kind of sick person are you? So what are you planning to do now?
What do you mean by that?
The question is pretty straightforward. What are you planning on doing?
What you talk about? Let me know what you talk about.
Me want left you to think about the question.
No, you're supposed to tell me what I mean. You can't just come and drop a question for me. So.
Yeah, keep it? That me ask you.
Friend, you really ask me that type of question if me I keep my child? Oh, when you did get pregnant, you never keep your child. So how when me get pregnant now you want me go dash away? No, talk to me. You fear now? Not because I fear money. You never dash away your first child, you know. So you're not supposed to come tell me if you dash away mine.
It's alright. You can keep him and keep your baby. And then my friendship is just done right here, so. Me don't know how to forgive you. You understand what I say? I don't know how to forgive you. Right now, I prefer forgive the man than forgive you. You know why? Me and you come from far, girl. Far, far, far. Me and you come from, and I just say, yes, so. A whole heap of things me and you go through. Look how much man in this world. And I'm a man you go after, girl.
Me never go after
Because of things.
friend. Me never go after your man. It just happen. And we continue to do it. We did want to tell you and we did want to stop. But I just saw you go. Me sorry. And me tell her that whole heap of time since night. So me sorry. Me never mean for it happen.
I can't forgive you. May I go back around here and so.
Alright, tomorrow. Should I do this now? I can't forgive myself neither.
Nobody wants to pass. And you walk up my life, buy you a shoes, and you run up my life. Wagwan! Hello, what's up? Your husband gone back America.
Yes, so I call if you ask if you can come look for me today.
Who your man the that said we're not true?
Yeah, he not come back to the next 9 months. Yeah, they can't make my come back.
Oh, well, it's rough. Yeah, you know what? Think about it. Because right now, I'm in one situation. I know we're part from my woman just left me, you know. So I think, say, you call me on the right timing. So when I go there now, I just get a credit put on the phone to, you know, rush from the cash pad shop. Yo, it's like you may go call. But since you call me already, when I go do, I go drive, come up that way there and out there. I have the things in my car already. You know what I mean? So I'm going to drive, go look for you right now. Make us say no man not did I know.
No man fuck your man. I was trying to money, you don't think they have everything already.
Money up there?
Everything there, money, food, no money.
Can me spend out the whole of mine one day. Alright, me a forward then, yeah? Yeah man, me a forward. Put on a pot. Put on a pot, can me. Alright. One man. One man.
What you want? Come here, come. Let's see what color back here. No, what you want to talk to them about?
Girl, stop once.
What you want to talk to them about?
You just not like how we are living at house and we are friends.
You don't like how we are living at house and we are friends. No use a friend. I'm tired to tell you. But you don't like how we are living at house. Why we are living at house? So?
I'm gonna read that. I'm gonna read. Go start on fresh.
How you want alright? How you want me start over fresh when you have my money? Baby in your belly. Just tell me how to do it and I will try to work with it.
Girl, I don't like so we didn't mean to do it and we didn't mean to get pregnant. It just happened.
It just happened. Alright, what you want me to do? You want me to forgive you? What you want me to do?
Yeah. Forgive me. Me can't believe that we are friends for so long. And one little mistake me make, you have me up and even put a man over me. Like seriously, hey, and your man they command to me. And because the money me they get, me take it. And I like say we have it like that.
So no other man now come and tell you we have money. And my man alone have money? Anyways, me will try my best to forgive you. If I get there, I try my best. And I like me not try. It not gonna happen now. It not gonna happen today nor tomorrow. But it's in the process.
Me go me have my cousin here babysit, so me get more money for myself, so me just so avoid them and everything because you know I'm not doing that.
You ain't go always have to talk, girl. I your baby daddy. But you see the rule what me want to set out is anything what happen with that child have to come through me. Any pitney maintenance, any little thing what the baby want and need, tell me and me deliver the message to him. Any money when you have to give you, and give me to give you. And that go be the plan. Me no want to see two on one time.
Alright, me work with that, but me just want back my friend.
Me no know if you ever get me back like how he did used to be. But me I work panny. And that you come in here to talk to me about?
Yeah, then I could have what else.
Anyways, me did up on a call.
Anyway, do what you do. Later.
Hello.
Hello, Fire. Me there, you know, so me I call if you talk to you, cause me can't wait till you. Me can't wait till me see you. Zine?
Oh, me have to pull off of the road, man, because I drive go Mandeville, you know.
Yeah, man, come from where you drive to Mandeville.
Oh, okay. Me come to a conclusion, right? Where my friend just go and talk to me. She a try to talk to me and it kinda hard, but me I think about it hard. So if me forgive you a chance in my life again, me have a rule. And the rule state where the two of you can't correspond. Me no want to not talk. If you even come here. Go.
About that, man.
Fire, make sure me no want to not talk. Anything we have to do with you for give her money for the baby and me the money for go through and me we give her. You understand?
Are you serious?
For right now, me serious. Remember say fresh enough, Fire. Me not deprive you from your child, you know. I would never do that. But for right now, please me I beg you. Anything for go through with the baby, money or anything, make me deal with it, please. Me don't want to not correspond right now.
Me understand. Me understand. Right now, I got man, I feel like me not bother want come. But we go turn back and we can't come back and link you today then.
Yeah, man, you can come back and link me. Let we talk.
Alright, me there for you, so by the time we go to me there, I'm going to link you. I will finish the discussion, alright?
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, here what? Me can't bother come up there now. But we try to come to Mandeville next week, yeah? We can't bother make you a Mandeville. Alright? But me call you though. I want contract me get, man. I get one contract for deal with some things, so I have to pencil it out. But I'll call you. Later me call you, I have time. But before me I go now, I can't use the phone. So no call me, wait till me call you. Alright? I know so you put on pot pan fire already, man. Stew peas and everything for me. But wait. Take you off of the fire, man. Take you off of the fire and put it down. Use the peas make soup. Alright? Ah. Yes, Joe. If you're not busy, look, yeah. It's your boy, Fire Rasta. I was born by the river in a little tent of Georgia. Teen sensation. Bust a vibrating tongue. Hold on.
Me ask you something now. I will fly up in your head and get up early this morning and make porridge.
Oh, we just get a vision last night. So I must make some porridge this morning. I just feel the vibe, I don't know why. I'm not money, but you know, it's my time. I just feel the energy this morning, though. You're good, though. I'm just up on the road, though.
For a long time, I don't see you burn on porridge, I wonder.
No, man. I just make some porridge, man. Nah, my routine, man.
So where you go on the road, good one now?
I'm not eating none of the porridge yet. The porridge just simmer down.
Ask you
What am I going
today.
to do? Oh, today I'm trying to make some money, girl. Me a hustle. Me a run down some money because I know you want it. Right? So we're dealing with
And I
it.
want more than I need, me need.
Yeah, man, so I can't deal with it. But I drink from my porridge because everything done. It has simmer down now. Where for your daughter there?
You send her go shop to go buy macaroni and cheese. We look both for her breakfast.
Oh.
Because I don't know what fly up in your head, you see? But beg you buy the macaroni and cheese to me. When you go up on the road. And you know come back with no macaroni and cheese. I don't know what you they think about if I the girl you they think about my friend. But if I ever catch you in here they talk. Fire at this side done.
Remember saying no? We have agreement. When me and I enough exchange no word again. Till after the baby born, they up you up in the account and make you the money and you put the money in the account for pay the maintenance. And you don't them say you put the baby last name like your name. Right? So why big deal? You don't have the agreement already.
I try and make sure. You hear me? I
Come
tell
on,
her.
no worries. We don't apologize to already, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So I don't understand. We don't apologize to already, so no, understand that. So. Alright now. I just want to carry price up also. See if I have shot you know. Are you causing, you know?
Hi, Mommy, we're buying macaroni and cheese. May I get that much?
So let me ask you something now. I want to make you wear barefoot go on the road.
Because I'm going to buy my slippers.
I'm tired for tell us if you stop left his slippers outside. For dog take what this. I would have dog take what his slippers, you know. Now if you go carry go in there town go buy your one slippers. Like a girl, make you stress me out.
On the tar, not at on the concrete.
Yeah, it's hot.
Barefoot everything and book off all my tour. I don't know then come back. Well I lick off all the while pan go walk and book your tour so. But we have to get our slippers. You know what I mean?
So put you no ear when me talk to her. I said take up your slippers when you after you come when you come inside but you're not here. It is alright. Go and put this in the kitchen.
Don't go for the porridge there, you know. I don't want the porridge burn you up. Alright, sir? You put it over the stuff on the cinder bun on the side of the fire. Alright. Yeah, sweat though, man. You want to go to the beach today? Or river?
You don't go to river. Not like beach.
Alright, so. This is what I go and see. I'll come back on the road. If you come back in time, we'll go.
Alright, the river better.
Alright, that's it though.
Good morning.
like your porridge?
So you could give me some of my breakfast.
Which breakfast and I'm gonna make a man buy a breakfast? And a man,
Girl, what make you behave so sad with you? Your friend, you know, how far we are come from.
why definition of friend? Tell me why definition of friend. I'm gonna like friend.
Like seriously, girl.
Me and we
So you choose one man over your friend? You choose a man over your friend.
Are you choosing at me? But me tell you this. Me did tell you so me prefer forgive the man than forgive you. And me and you have come from so far, girl, way back. And you do me that. Girl, me don't know how me ever forgive you. Me don't know how to forgive you.
I'm gonna look for something to eat. Nah, yeah,
Do you
alright.
feel?
Alright, mama. Yes, Dada. Dada.
Hello. So, the porridge where you look about. And that you look about if I forget a girl. Stop going let me a eat that. The porridge where you look about out there. It a look about if I forget a girl.
What's the mess now? Remember say for a long time she went buy the oats. She just make it private. Remember that who want drink some, you know, drink somebody drink some on the time talk to price and talk to price.
You're not supposed to in a no income.
What you talk about?
She's supposed to provide for herself. I don't know family business in here no more, no friendship, no family business. She forgot supermarket, buy things for herself, look about it for herself. Anything where you look about and me look about is between me and you and my child. So what you tell me say?
You said not to talk to her.
Mm-hmm.
I don't talk to her.
Okay.
So what you say now from the door?
So yeah.
Okay, you know say better than this. I know that you're better than this. You're a better person. Food, you don't want to put food like that, man. Alright, food are food, man. Nah, just left the food in there, so. What about that?
It's you know my blood that boil up.
So we go up on the road, we're going to feel different.
Hello.
Alright, man, just calm down yourself, man. How's the food that man?
No, why you're not frying now? Aye, let me tell you this. You see anything where you see my man cooking here?
Let me tell you
Me
something.
no want you trouble it.
Let me tell you something. Lower your voice. Because when you talk to me, lower your voice. I told me I'm an auntie baby that me hand. You know I'm mash you down in this man, right? So just have
Put on your baby girl.
If you put on your
Liberty come through carelessness.
Let me tell you something. Look how much time me give you money. Look how much time me do things for you. And
Look how much time.
Yeah, come put over me.
Look how much you give me money, you give back. My man give you money, you give me money. And that's what I have to say.
I feel
Girl,
one man, I feel my man too. I told we man, we are share man in this. Yeah. So you want it, so you go get it.
Liberty come through carelessness. I mean, really? I
Then
talk
I
to
who? Me come here this morning and try to talk to you. And you are come go on like all that, you know all that. I got where you come from. You're not better than me. You throw in the same class. You're not in a higher class. I don't say you're there too. Not up here so. Down here so. Right. Come here. This girl. Go back in the set to your man.
Martha! Aye! Little wanga belly got girl.
Girl.
Remember say you can't even provide for yourself. You have to have your man courage. Go away, girl.
Better than nothing. This big belly girl. Is that bright thing? Oh yeah, man. Yeah.
Babe, want to touch your road in a year?
Alright. Where you say I go?
Babe, may I touch your road here?
Alright, where you say I go?
May I go up on the road and deal with some business on, is it?
Alright.
Me have two clothes that I want to wear tomorrow, so if you can wash them out on the back for me, please, yeah? Alright, soon come.
My cousin.
Oh. Man, excuse me for your baby, you know. You hear me? No, for study for come to the That's it. So, what is it? Look, you have money? Don't worry about shit.
No, I'm going to worry about shit. You're my phone, like I'm going to go and I'm not.
Alright, so here we go on now. That's too long. Yeah? Your friend around there, you know inside it. So through you see the part, I mean, that might pick up and I go on. But she love it still in the man, this year go on. You know what I mean? She love it still. So,
Anything else? Just.
so see your money here. So you're a babysitter now, you get paid out, right?
Yeah, me I get paid, but $30 can't do nothing.
Me ask a question if you get me paid.
Yeah, me I get paid.
No, but me I pay the rent and me pay everything over yourself. When we start now, what is, what can I, oh shit, you feel sick at the time you not gonna work again?
Yeah. What am I to do?
Alright, we'll go on still. We'll go figure out something. So in the meantime, I want to go to where to make your earnings. So you go tell your friend, say, girl, you know what, you want to see her, you say, my bright yourself for me too much, you know. Because if you take a baby there, a baby sick, I get the money. I think I might last one use and something, that's why I'm using my porridge, girl. You understand? Because I left a last one of oats in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So no
Alright,
about that.
so-
So you see that too and
So where you go?
no, I'm on the road, man. What time you done babysit?
5 o'clock.
When you come, you put a couple of things and call me. I pick you up and I carry go and I go water, I build the egg, I build more for water.
And that's all they can feel, man.
That one is like you love money though.
Bad like in grandmother.
Money? When I say money, you laugh.
You know, go take go on, later.
You know, understand what things about.
Go on.
But later though.
Yes,
As you
call me.
done, you call me one more time.
Alright, me call them.
You not to pay attention to me.
Later.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. What you want now? What problem now? Lady, me not come for cuss and fight today. No, me not dey party with her today. Me come for just alright, mama, alright. Me just come for say, your father why you back up there, and me why you back up there so you can help take care of your little sister. What you mean by your father want her up there? She father said she could come up. Your father miss her and he want her back up there. Your father miss her and he said she could come home. We come closer. We're gonna talk like two decent big people. Come to understand. So, our father wants her up here. Our father couldn't call me on the phone and talk to me. Are you a messenger? Yeah, no. The father said, "Man, call you." But you know how he entered. He nah call. Everybody thinks say, "I'll call him, I'll call." So he just say, "Alright, go on and tell him to me." So I can't tell you no. That's right. Listen, me don't really want my pretty back up there, no. Me I tell you honest truth. So I don't know how that's gonna work out. Well, look here. Remember say one room I live in here, you know, and a chair no sleep in here. You, now you're a man. So now your father didn't even like when time man decide and that. You know what man can do? A one room this you have to try. At least when in the upside you have your own a room. So all you can do is just make your picnic come up. I understand what you're saying. I'm not going to fight and call you down about it. You get what I say? As a mother, I know say wrong for in a one room with my picnic. But circumstances make me have to live as son, but me currently I look somewhere for me. So I think about it when she come home back. You know worry about that the man me. Cause me watch PP clock me up the watch. You understand what I say? But anyway, you have a call him. I give him a phone and you call him. Because probably if I call him, he not go answer. So you call him and talk to him and hear him. Okay, I'll call him. Yeah, Mark. Atia. I see you saying your baby mother come up here. Why problem? I understand what you're saying. I get what you're saying. Alright, me go send her with her. And no make what happened last time happen again. Alright. You want to talk to her? Alright. Alright, hold on. You don't want to stay with me?
baby sister.
Alright, talk to you.
Yes, Daddy. Yeah, me want come. Okay. You sure say you not go beat me again? You not go feed me? Okay. I'm gonna come. Okay. Later.
Alright, Mom. We go pack up our things them now and send her with your lady. And make sure you take care of my picnic good up there. Alright.
Hello. See you cock up on bed in a middle day on phone.
So what you want me to do? What you want me to do?
Girl, you have to get a job and help me take care of. Right now, when money me come for feed it, you know. How long you not give her nothing? And me alone have to take care of her. Come on, man. You see, this is the problem. Why you can't send the money come to your daughter? Cock up in a bed, all day, on phone. Big woman like you. Come on now, some money will come for now. I will not even have long to stay neither.
Listen, you see my boyfriend come, me make you get a piece of food. Cause I lease that. I'm my youth too, you know. So me understand what you say. But me not working at the moment and I like every time me always not work. So you look at one time me not work, a problem?
Yes, you said unfair though. When you have her, you can't make a code for pitney maintenance. Now I have her, what expects me to do? Come.
What was it, Mommy?
When we ready for go foreign, me carry her come make you stay. Me soon gonna foreign. So when I go foreign, me carry her come make you stay. So come. Tell her bye bye.
Bye-bye.
My baby love you.
Come now, come.
Where you hurry up with Pitney so far? You think a money alone take care of Pitney?
And she'll get big now. Someone other man come take care of my pitney. Hello?
It's just your father.
Oh, go on.
Nuh-uh.
Come here, sit down some more, talk to you. You alright?
Yep.
So what make when you feel?
When I talk to you, look up on me and say yes, daddy, yeah? You alright? You make you always around me when you say.
Because my stepmother always leave me out in the house for some. Because she always tells me to come with me.
Alright. Never way off to deal with that, man. Because I'm not like a share your real mother. You see me? They expect better from her from that. So, but you eat and everything though.
Yep.
I'm going to talk to her, man. No matter of fact, I'm not going to make you come back around and all that. So where they are doing? You have homework and them something there?
No.
You not to want you up on the phone business, you know. Put on your phone, man.
But Daddy, every time when she always left baby with me and go on her phone.
So are you and her alone live here?
Yes, Daddy.
Mark, what kind of question they may ask the Pitney? Me they write
No,
or
it's
something?
alright. Listen to me now. You see, whenever Mr. Man come back, you just come live with me. You hear me say? Come in, I want to bag a stepfather I come raise you up. You hear what me say? You hear what your father say? So anytime you see a male move in this house, you call me up on the phone and let me come and get you. You hear your things then? Alright.
A matter of fact, let me say something before you leave. You see when you're a woman they come here, you don't call me before you reach her. Because it's one of us that just pop up on my yard anytime I feel like pop up. What kind of style that?
Listen to me. I have a child here. So whosoever, if you don't want me come here, you tell me. Because anywhere me I go, my woman I go dead here. You feel me? So there's no problem about that. We just talk about the child now. You understand? And child for raised as a child. You know for raised as a big people. Call me whenever you want to call me. Here? Okay. Alright.
Mommy,
What do you?
the stepfather and Auntie Marika still a talk. I hear them round there, they're whisper.
What do you say?
You don't believe me? What about accent? Since you don't believe me.
You hear them a whisper?
Yes.
And what?
They laugh.
When you hear that?
A while ago when we did out the song, they play.
Alright, let's say a word. But then go and whisper. I don't know where the one fire this so long, you know. So now,
Yes.
I want to ask you, you're sure where you're here? Because when fire coming on me, I'm asking about it, you know. So make sure I don't lie or tell me, you know.
Mommy, I don't know lie.
Alright. Speak of the devil.
Oh, are the king this? It can't be the devil. Go
Yeah, alright, you know.
Jam a roll with enough. When I work a while ago, yo, me I tell everybody I say fire. How you can work so? You say I come on a yard you cook for me. This way you cook last night, give me a piece of energy. Plus the blend juice, right? Like it. More get some more of the, they call it the beetroot. You know what I mean? Want to see where I get.
Where you say you come from?
Work man come on for man. Work.
Work. I need to ask you one question, but hold on. Now, me and stepfather need to have a conversation. So, go on down to Miss Joy shop, go buy one biscuit. So, we find some stuff by here. Come now. Put on your slippers and go and go buy one biscuit.
And look up and down on the road, here. Don't run out in the road and don't play upon the road. Road is not a play thing.
Let me have sit down.
This looks serious. I go propose. Yeah, well, me try marry Jordan now work, you know, so I work on the marriage, I bring to me now, you know, because every day I don't want married, and we don't have no money. Is you married prima married? No, I don't want to marry yet. Wait first.
It's a serious time. I don't have time for joke.
I don't marry yet about.
You realize I'm not even laugh?
I don't say serious about your marriage thing, man. I don't say that it's serious.
Anyways. You and my friend still in a conversation though, still a talk.
Oh, me? This a boy, yeah? No, how dare you say that?
You and I never run the deck.
One more ask her now.
So why you get defensive?
No, because me not like to accuse me.
I don't raise my voice in my house.
Me no raise my voice as me talk, normal. But me like when you bring light to me, you bring the light good.
Me not like how you get
Why?
defensive.
No, defensive. When I accuse you of doing something, what you do? When me say you're arguing about what you do, you take off your clothes. Yo, look and see now. Why you so know why me can't get defensive? When you tell a lie, come prove it. Come, you ready? Ready for going there?
Me dey ask you a question. Me say if
I
you
mean,
and my
answer
friend
you,
never run there.
No. Me don't walk. You ready? Are you ready?
Me not gonna prove nothing more than me know say una did run there, they giggle and they whisper.
But who
And you
tell
dey-
you that by the way?
You know worry about who tell me that. You're the line in front of me face fire.
Come on. You stay so.
Oh, me stay fire.
Why you either accuse me?
The first time me accuse you say me accuse you. It come to pass when me I say don't.
The last time me accuse you of something, you take off all your clothes and say, see then, come look and rare. So why you say me get strong every time you ask me a question of a defense?
Fire. You know what? You're the line in front of me face fire. And that me can't take with you, you know. You're too lie.
I don't tell no lie. And I don't talk when I go so. Right? But me say since you want, could you ask her if me talk to her then?
All she ever do a lie to.
So everybody tell lie now. No best friend. Your best friend is a liar?
It was.
Me ask you a question. Your best friend is a liar?
She never lied, but from no cheat and I
No,
hide
no,
there
let
in
me
the
ask you.
back.
Is your best friend a liar? That's a yes or no question. Is she a liar?
Yes or no?
So, are you a liar?
Me no liar.
Show me a friend and tell you who you are. That's a friend fan. So if you say she yes and half and I'm lying, you half and I'm lying too. I bet there's plenty stories she can tell me about you or what you do, whatever. But me and her not talk. So me not gonna know. So how you accuse me now?
Yeah,
Come
nah.
on, man. I'll tell her. Tell me how tell her.
You not have to know who tell me.
Somebody tell mash my pie, you know. But it nah go work.
Hear what?
Tell them say nah go work.
Hear what? You're
Hear what?
innocent
You
until
cook.
proven.
You cook. Stop nice about that. No, don't offer that, but you cook. You cook food.
Me not feed no liar.
So me work whole day today and no food not there.
Anywhere you come from, you go and go get food.
I said, well, I'm going to your friend myself to cook nothing belly.
Go on a which friend? Go on a which friend?
No, you want to know?
Fire! Fire!
Me say, growing
No.
on my bridging, me say, when I'm my bridging, me say, me I go. Me I go put
This
up.
a little liar there, man.
Me said, if I knock my growing on my bridging and I'm a friend, go see if they cook nothing wrong on the road. What's the difference? You go along. That's another level in a woman place, you know. That's why I'm not in a woman place, because you see it, you call me back, you have to manangle me. You could have grabbed me a while ago, you could have tear off my new Ganzi. You know what man this a cost? Look on it. Look on it. Feel the material and the texture. You know, cheap. I run on my bread in here, but wait backside there. Oh, that's God.
Mom, wanna finish talk? I got the biscuit for you.
Two. And you me really did buy it for about matter of me take one. Oh yes, short took so. Where you get money? No money this time me give you for buy the biscuit. It's silver them.
Yes, mommy. Mommy, one of my friend them buy biscuit for me. She did buy 2 of them, and then she give me 1.
What you mean by one of your friend buy biscuit? Me not give you the money for buy the biscuit. Me not tell her say nothing take nothing from nobody.
Yes, mommy, but when me did buy, she just buy for me.
Me no business what you want to say. Me tell her say do not take nothing from nobody. That's why me give her the money to buy your own things. So you see next time, me no business if a friend or nobody wants to go up on the road, do not take no money from nobody. People will bribe you. You hear me say?
Yes, mommy.
Alright. All this.
Go on, I promise my virgin this is so I can get it. I'll get some food and I feel place.
You can't stay in the house every second, every day.
But food and everything do there for your cook. Why you not cook yet? See your dry goods you feed the man pick the pan.
Me not
Cook some
talk
food,
no
man.
talk so me nobody hear about dry goods me a feed.
Oh, so you hide the food? You cook and hide the food?
Go on where you go, yeah, man.
Oh,
Come
let's
not
eat
even
on
a
bread.
long talking with
Think
you.
good, man. I guess it's on virgin. Ami. You still a baby sick though.
Yeah.
Don't make that all go on a fist in your belly and baby know what are coming on. Don't make him lay down in your belly too much. You lay down for your belly, for you not lay down for your belly, you know.
Nothing I do, baby. After you start develop your belly young. Anyway, what happened?
But you're hungry like a dog.
See your food come up over there, so come
Oh.
on, no say your name, did I get nothing for it? Cause my friend I like cook. So me dey cook and leave some for you.
You know, say your wife material, you know. Alright, so, all me have to do. Now drive go down the road
Yeah.
and go get one drinks and eat and come back.
Can back my plate, please?
Yeah, man. You're good though.
Yeah, I'm good.
Why you not call me today? Text me.
Me no want call you and text you.
But me there work and I'm in the day home. I can call me and text me, man.
You call me and text me. You're there at work. Text me, let me know.
Alright. You want food too? You want food? You want food? Eh? You want food? Want food? Want food? Later.
Later.
Later. Nada. Nada.
That's all about you, man. Oh, that.
Marika,
Oi.
open the door here, please.
Oh, you come and lick down me door so far. What your problem?
I could have swear me ear, my man round here, me ear fire round here.
Girl, what I'm tell you, just well 1 year for your man vice in my room, so. You know, don't tell me say me feel leave your man alone. Anything more me fi come through you first. So what you want to
Girl,
me I watch TV.
me swear. It's alright. Sorry.
Where you go?
Me say,
Come out of my
you
room.
see if,
No bother with it.
listen to me
No
now.
bother with it. This
You see,
me
if
can't bother. Me no feel
me
good,
ever
girl.
catch fire around you, all when you breathe, me a dirt you.
Next time, you see, you think I like it last time when I was on my neck. Next time you try that, you go see which God you serve.
Well,
Come out of my
if
room.
a dirt,
Come
that
out
me
of
I
my
tell
room.
you.
Bright.
Today was a long day.
You don't see me ID?
No. Yeah. That's one thing to you. Why you keep on washing too much as a red shirt? And it's the same. I know some buy them in a bulk. But I don't want I feel wear the same thing over and over. So every time I have on the same something, I say wonder if I change my clothes and try to have too much I want set of clothes. I start mismatch them though. But I like the red pants match up just to have some really told them together. But what's my next one then, man? Alright?
All you have to start was share one of clothes now. Can I trade even now?
Oh yeah, I know.
We just go in your town and come back.
Alright, glad. Yeah, carry that out though.
No. May I leave her so I beg you look for her while
Yeah, carry your phone, you left her
Half
your phone.
hour.
You have a phone?
No, me I left my phone.
A phone because I don't want to tap on my phone because my phone is a business phone. And two to play game pan in my shop. Alright?
Alright, me go left her with the phone so half an hour time I come back. Yeah? Me I deal with something and come.
Alright. Oh yeah, eat some more. Alright, more can see you. So them just want to see your mother phone and never really play with it, yeah? So that's all. So what you can eat, you eat. You alright though?
Yeah.
Alright, but you study your book though? How much you get at school, what day? How much you come in class last time? Third?
I don't know.
Or did I tell you? You need to come to school and talk. Because they need to tell you how much you do at school and we say no, by the That's true. do if you learn that you don't learn. Alright. Don't move from your side now. Play the game, alright? Play game on the phone. Now go look about and come back. Don't move out of the room because some people, I know nobody can teach you for your mother. Or just some things there for your mother. I don't want them teeth you. Yeah? So you ensure to come out of the room, alright?
Okay.
Alright. I don't want no funny things from other people. Alright? Yes, no.
I'll see you later. I'll see you later.
You wanna know, you have to go tell your just start loud there there. Make a friend here, like come in and ask. Yeah, me I come to a country and now friend. You know, so me not 2,000 I go tell you I got a country say now to come now. And then me tell her say me I got work. Right?
Yeah.
And then when we send her work in the night now, we can get a hotel or we can go somewhere go chill out in a van for a while and then come back later in the night. Waiting.
Alright, anything else? What time going?
Well, about 9 o'clock. Yeah, man. So 9 o'clock, good man. But if tell her, say, yo, me I got work, and you can tell her, just tell her, say, yo, you got country. So there you go and play some short in the van. In the evening, and just have a good time, maybe just get a KFC, just going to. I'm going to call you on the room. Yo, it's not too people, when they're on their phone, they're on a different world. They're on the phone like that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, man. So,
Anything else?
but you know you so 9 o'clock you say? Well, if I 9 o'clock you say then you don't work, so you know. Now go back one day for she suspect say the out of room find up on the phone. So mama should come back and do nice phone again and along. You good though. But when you go it's 9 o'clock. Yeah? Alright, Naya.
Yeah.
Why you play on the phone? What you playing on the phone?
And game.
So you're good though?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take a 5, yeah?
Okay.
Alright. Alright. You good?
Yeah, man, good man.
Just stay doors there, my friend.
You stay long?
Yeah, no, I just sleep, and I'm gonna move fire some. But you're gone, me the rats to sleep so. I don't know. How me I sleep so.
You're tired?
Yeah, no, me I sleep so. I'm tired, but I could get a call. You know, it's a while ago when I got I get a call, say, I'm going for the work. So I soon go to a shower and then I go up on the work. Yeah? I work tonight. Till late, man, I work.
So, oh, you just get that the sudden call, so.
I said to me, ask them, me ask them if I have a life. that me ask them. Me not have a life. So me not have a wife. Me not have a life. That me ask them. Me not have a choice. But if me go work, me have to work. You want money, then alright. Me can stay at tonight and quit working now. Where you want me to do? Can we really want to do?
I don't want you to quit no work. You want money.
Alright, so
You just want now.
that me ask them if you have a right, but really and truly, you want the money. So we'll go.
Alright. So now what happens?
I'm all a bit still, because I want to in there work, I like late, you know. I'm the only Jamaican for no time. And that's what I'm going to do. Then I come and work 6 o'clock, I'm there from 5:30. And so I'm still. You know I'm scared for a long time.
Yeah, man.
Before time. I mean that. Reach before time. All of you.
So let's see how long I'm going to come and one bud?
That's it.
Nothing.
Mama, your son, Stefan, is sitting and get up in this last day. He put up on Rona, anti-America.
You get up and go to anti-America. Someone just tell me, say, he never get up for yourself.
And, but hear them talk about, I'm going to take out her and carry her somewhere nice and to tell you, say, I'm going to go work and anti-America go to country to fool you.
So, a while ago when you tell me, say, you get called to go work, and then that's the case. Naya, we are sitting. Naya, you sure say that's a year? What else a year? Nothing.
Yeah, that my ear.
So them a plan. So fire plan to go work. And anti-America, our country.
But they might go out together.
Okay. Thanks for telling me that. Thanks, here. No worries. Sorry, no worries. I say a good door. You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep.
Sleep what?
Anyways, me soon come here, go on the road. So when the fire come from, what I bash with him, so me gone on the road, yeah?
Okay.
Where your mother there?
Oh, she gone. Hello.
She love the road though. She love the road. Anyway, I gonna work here. I go buy KFC for you when I'm coming back, alright? If the KFC lock, you get the one next day. Alright? Alright. Hello, so I'm gonna now. Sexy lady. Sexy baby. Oh, go on. Come in, man. So I trouble you. Watch your road, baby. Let them truck your pass. I don't want nothing there now. Come in the floor, cause you know.
Good evening.
You were going on now.
Oh,
Mama just gone, you know.
where she gone?
Until me gone to work, you know. So I want to go one place, go mash up something in her, you know. Right? You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Ready to get the mash up? Damage? Yeah, come with us, please, and run. Where my back seat? Bring my back seat. Guys, bring my back seat, yeah?
Go on, way. Go on, way.
Stop, Frank.
Hey.
What do you do around there?
You are run, girl. You are run. I went there. I say. You're not worried about me catching a panda. Whenever people feel say, me da run on the tongue.
I know what it look like. I know what it look like. Come on. You're finishing over. Come on.
Me hear everything. Oh, you
I'm
have
sorry.
mash up things.
Sorry.
Fire.
No, but you
Me
know
didn't warn
say.
you, know.
No, but you know say. So baby face after wash. And you know cleanliness is a part of godliness. So me no listen up, you know say a part of the game. So and I like say Ray, me no want you find out. But when you watch me so, are you a security guard or you a FBI? Or you dey on my case so? Me I try it out to your eye sight and you because you done gone bad already. The doctor say, ask her if think a lie. She have to get waterings. She have to get enjoy. So, alright. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move on. I'm going to move on. I'm going to move on too. Put her on place and make everything alright.
Let me hurry up on this one.
I'm going to move on.
Hurry up on one. Hey, yo.
Wait. No, my pregnant. It's pregnant, yo. Look at that.
Naya,
Yes, mommy.
wake up. Come help me pack up stepfather things. I don't want to get you involved because you're a child. But me I beg you come help me. You have to come out here today. Today you have to come out here. You know say, me and Auntie Marika just fight a while ago. And let me tell you this. Look for me. Let me tell you this. You see, as long as you live, me don't want you to talk to Marika.
But mommy, you don't say I'm a Marika, my auntie, and I love her, mommy.
Me understand say you love her, Naya. But just listen, me and her no friend no more and we will never be friends. Me no want to get you mixed up. Cause you're a child. But this a friendship here, it have to done. It have to cut off and me no want you and her. Me no, listen. You hear what me say? Come help me pack up. Come.
I want to sleep.
Alright, go and go sleep.
Minute, cause you know where it go. If we no reach, a long time I not touch it live. You know what I mean? If you can really communicate with I, long time not to go up and tika taka. You know what I mean? But every story that we try to do, we try to do it Jamaican wise. Authentic Jamaican. So you quite know. Some of the time we go do somebody plask it up and make up on them radio, but we don't really emphasize in a that yet. You know what I mean? We try to do the grassroots like people normally that in yard. Some people that they yard and they put on a makeup on the day break. Some people don't put on a makeup unless they go somewhere specific. You know what I mean? They put on that. You know what I mean? More to understand me and say no. So I'm doing authentic Jamaican movie. It's a struggle, it's a fight to get things where it are. You know what I mean? So in our country, how do the research how much land there, how much acre land there, Jamaica really, you know what I mean? Because I want peace side. So how do the research really, because we really need to structure ourselves in Jamaica, and Jamaica would want a piece of land now to really, you know, bring the thing to life officially, you know what I mean? So we can have more, because we want to set the thing on a different level, you know. But it take a time and take a process. So because we're upon training now, you know what I mean? So any category where we put movie in, we want to have the facility for that. Jamaica doesn't movie big yet. You know what I mean? But we don't really care, we are doing it because within ourselves we know that we're big. Even though the system don't recognize us yet, you know what I mean? But give thanks to you, the viewers who recognize I and I Rastafari. You give out the strength to push forward and know, sir, then there is a way forward and this is necessary. You know what I mean? Because when you look around, everything is sold out and not enough has been done for us as human beings. Yo, really and truly now, one of my things when I want to give back to the country, it not go happen unless Jamaica would reach part it needs to be. And what my main objective of me would want to give back to Jamaica, I would want to help out the health system, right? Because you're born at the hospital and most likely when you feel sick, you go to the hospital and try stay alive, right? So when I go to our hospital down in this region, I realize that there's no value being put on us as human beings. Saying this to say that when I go into the hotel is so crispy and it's so nice and it's so this and it's so, that's how the health place should be too. Because we have to have some value in ourselves and some dignity to know that this is human being and this is flesh and blood and brain and everything. So the health care must be one of the top something up so. Enough to be down there so maybe might be so. Only when you go there, you feel it. So it's a concern to a couple of viewers and them express it to me. So may I express it to the world who are watch. Say we need to do it, we need to do there so we can do something back. And that we don't want to do back. So that means say we have to depend on good ground so we can make good income so we can get that done without even shake we and the people who put in the work to make the movie possible. You know what I mean? So it's a serious calling. We don't know when we're going to reach there, but we work towards that. And that's one I think somebody want to give back to Jamaica. Because material things and money and them things there, you know. No make for dog, you know. You never see a dog that spend $1,000 yet, you know. Money and them things that make for human being. Some people have it put on some place and not using it at all after a lifetime or them grandkids can't done it. But we as a sufferer, we can't ever see money. What if I answer me now? So I would like the system to pay attention to the people them who are do good in the country to make a better step forward. My movie them, we try to keep them edgy because we're living on the edge of a knife blade. One slip and we're dead. And this I hope you understand what I say. So I try to keep it edgy as possible. Some people are comfortable when I watch some of my part them. But listen to me, this is Jamaica. And worse than what I put on these films this year. And I'm not going to killing on them. So because killing is the worst thing we could imagine still. I want to take your life. But what God give you is one of the worst things could happen really. You know what I mean? You have different things that come along the line, come down the line. The bad same way. But we have to put the best foot forward and do the best we can do. You know what I mean? It has been a long road. It has been a long day. You know what I mean? But we want a piece of the land here. We can put on a foundation. We say this is Jamaican. You know what I mean? And we can put in the infrastructure. We can get to have different things them there. So when I do a movie more comfortable and more easy to do, we can have a wardrobe room that means somebody come from far, we have everything there for them working already. And even one look at school there for teach people how to act to. Because you want that and teach people how to angle camera and thing. But we just don't want to have it school and just like how Jamaica I do a lot of in every school you have them have drama. But after that there is no place for them to exercise the drama that they have been taught at school, right? So that's why I want to create this platform for when people go to school and learn look at drama, you're good in drama, or at least you can link up with drama with there's a facility there with BAM, you can bus where you can turn big movie star. Come on, build it away. That means when somebody out of world, I said them want an actor so if it's talk in a Jamaican language. Me don't want nobody from America I say I do the language. You know what I mean? We want a real Jamaican who have to go pretend to act like they're Jamaican. When there's so much Jamaican here, you know what I mean? It's sad because we really need the finance money, yeah, to live. You know what I mean? It's rough and it's tough. You know what I mean? So glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Thanks for listening. Big up all them sponsor them from that time to this time, bunny down to the ground. You know what I mean? Alia Sky, big up yourself, bunny down to the ground. You know what I mean? All them producer them. You know what I mean? It's a long list. Dear man, big up yourself. Give me a shout with General Bunny down to the ground. You know how we go? Yeah man. Big up to Tassan Franco. Big up to Empress G. Long time I not talk to her. Empress G, what go on, mommy? What go on in our kitchen? Eh? What go on in our kitchen? I know she must have cook up something, you know. Remember, check out her channel, see how she always have the thing them of make ice cream, of make everything from scratch. Check out Empress G. Same way, you know what I mean? Bunny down, enough respect. We did it from day one, same way, you know what I mean? Long time we not talk, you know what I mean? But we gonna link up, we gonna talk, man. Yeah, man. We go Mama Jai, Kingston City, Bunny down to the ground. Bless myself. Yeah, man, we soon link up. I got thing go on same speed, you know what I mean? Big up. Big up already. Oh, yeah. Annette, big up yourself, Bunny down to the ground, man. Take what you take and go do it, you know what I mean? From that time till this time, big up yourself. Yeah, man. But right now, I want to listen up. Because I won't fright at this year. But big up all of the producers them from Media Vibes. Go straight back to Jules. Big up yourself. From that time till this time. Jules. See up on the road. Careful out on the road then. Come see a drive through and they break. You then at the vehicle go and hold it. Hold it meditation, man. You know how you go. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, but down to the ground. Big up everybody out there. If I name a call, big up on yourself. Same way, because you don't know. One movement, and from that time to this time, we can't everybody name from top of my head. So big up every one of the fans, them big up everybody out in the world, big up. We can't stop big up because I want to make the thing possible and continue doing what I do, you know what I mean? Because I want to share it, you know. They say I want you to share it, people are see it and I hear it. Big up all of the kids them out there in the world. We are trying to create a brighter future. When the time comes, we're going to have a space for hack out in the world and show your talent and can help your parents who send you to school. So I don't want the business just be a business like how it is now. No money now make out right now. But me feel like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh and them prime when reggae music just start. You know what I mean? So this is like the movie part of it. So I know that there's movie showing out the world and the world can't supply amount of movie when need did at the time out in the world. Because when I want to take how much money build one movie, you take 1 hour, 2 hours, watch it off. So give me a next movie. So there's always room for movie can't done. And I like when I'm small and I want to an artist. Me I say one day by the time I get bigger now, the whole of the music them right out already no more song no left. I know that the way there. So there's always gonna be new movie, new ideas, whole heap of things to go on, you know what I mean? So me have some bigger project to work on. But my mind I tell me say, Fire, try look into an official studio where you can get even one good green screen today so you can do certain things. So just that my brain up and uplift the thing to a next level. So you know what I mean? Right now, give me a comment and tell me how much acre land in a Jamaica. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just tell me how much acre. Because I know some people own all 500 acre, you know, 800 acre. And if you know body they don't cater. If you poor people don't cater, we can't never get peace island. But we want peace island though. So tell over tell, say yeah. Tell them link I, Rastafari. We want a better Jamaica. And it go start from somewhere. So we can start from the movie world then now. We do it to the reggae already. And see now they sweep reggae one side. Reggae only overseas reggae they now. Dancehall in Jamaica now. No reggae music again. Me not hear it. Me not hear it to share it. But anyway, that is this and this is that. Now fight the next man thing. I'm gonna go on them things same way. I just entertainment, but so my time we have to look into the entertainment still. Likewise I. So me now cut myself out tight. So let's go. Enough talking now. Wanna check out our next movie, yeah? Now go try Jimmy Sound. Early 9 morning now. Alright, burn it up.